There have been certain moments of time in our district's rich history that have defined the excellence of Utica Community Schools. Years where the community came together and charted a course for the future of the district. Their commitment and innovation are the reasons we are able to gather this evening in a district that is recognized for its excellence and leadership. I believe the 2023-2024 school year will be one of those defining years for our district. This past year ended with an adoption of a long-range strategic plan by our Board of Education and the overwhelming community support of our Safety and Success election. Both of these key events have created the positive energy that will allow us to take this exemplary district to another level by inspiring remarkable achievement. Student achievement is at the very root of our mission in UCS. When it comes to the success of our children, all of us have an important role to play.
In UCS, we are all unified in the goal of providing for our students the opportunity to inspire remarkable achievement. As an educator of 20 years, my goal is to help students empower themselves so that they can make their lives in the world a better place.
My teachers, they really drive me and they really help me. They make me want to work. They make me want to come to school. When you grow up, you just want to be the best you can be in life. You want to hit your goals, career, just uplifting everybody to be the best they can be, basically.
With the newcomer program, with zero English, they could not communicate whatsoever because they never spoke English at home or anywhere else. And when they left within 2 months, 3 months, they were able to communicate with the classmates and their teachers. It is really important because wherever they're gonna go, they will feel safe to use that language.
Well, I think it's important to inspire our students to bring out the best in them and let them be the best version of themselves and know that they are important, and them being their best version is really important to this world, not just to our classroom, but to everybody around them, and that they know that they can be.
What will make this a defining year for our district is the direct community-wide focus on what it means to create remarkable achievement. These past few years have demonstrated the powerful change that occurs when this community unites around our children. This year, we have in place the tools, an amazing team that will move mountains for our students, and a clear vision and mission. We have everything to make this one of those years that future generations can point to as a defining moment in the success story that is Utica Community Schools. Thank you for your continued support of our district, and I wish you all of the best for a successful 2023-24 school year.